Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekene mụ unu ekene mụ na ekene mụ ekene ife na-emelụ nwoke ife asị m tata udo ya dịlụ nwoke udo ya dịlụ nwaanyị tata wee stori ụfọdụ kwa na-atọ ọchị ọ na-atọkwa n'ọchị maka na okwu anyị ji wee pịa na-abụ okwu gbasara JCN dibịa aha nye na J Park nwere nsogbu mgbe nwanụ gara aga nke anyị kwugi ya na this year is a year of exposing all these wicked atrocities na-eme n'ala Igbo anyị maka na okwu ji ebe n'ụbọchị nke tata bụ na nwatakịrị wetara JCN ka client ka JCN lọkụ ọnụ nwe ka asị na ha na-alọkụ client JCN wee lọkụzi ya onye wetara ya client ka nye nwa na-elizi thank you na-eli very much mmadụ wetara gị ihe ka ịlọkụzi onye wetara gị ihe na miracle oleta ya Jizọs aiso ya biko enwere esekwu usoro dobdere vidio alụkwuru ihe na-atọ amụ ihe mere ya tọba amụ mana otugo aka kwuru ya yahoo abụghị ọlụ ụmụazị Igbo ji echọ ihe ha ya alụ na ọlụ na-enye gị naira nke bụ small bụkwa na ọlụ ya sustain gị mana ka edegbute ya n'ike alụ mee ngwa ngwa na-emelụ ha anyị na-eti mkpu na-etisi ya ike mana ekwucha akwụcha onwe ha onye ya anụrụ onye ọbụla n'ofulu na ọ na-eme onye ọ na-anakpụrụ kịtịbi kịta nụnwa etinye ya tie ya duka o kwete na ọ na-eme biko soro na-eme vidio ihe JCN melụ nwatakịrị si ya lọkọala client owelezi adịgide lọkụza wee na-amịzi ọchụchụrụchụ ka ọ migbue ngwanụnụ ọdịna ka ọ dadịna ka m na-atụ asị biko nụ solonụ na-enye vidio
so amara m ife emezi ụmụazị pụta ụmụazị 18 years ụmụazị 20 years pụta ọsị gị na ya na-atụ ọrụ na ya na-atụ mgbada the first thing you eme in your life as a young boy bụ ebe atụba mgbada ịmaka na datin ọ na-akwa mmadụ iberibe o nwere ka isi si na ị na-eme ịtụ mgbada ị chọrọ ije mụọ ọrụ ị chọrọ ije mụọ afịa nọọ ịtụ mgbada ịtụkata mgbada atụta nwa 500,000 na 1 million naira gochaa ihe shanshan ahụ na-ego echi niile ọ bụzikwa na ịtụtazi ya ịmụrụ aka ọrụ ịmụrụ afịa mgbada nwanne na efu ọzọ ịdazie iberibe because ọ bụ ezi nke ịma so as a young boy itonite ibu n'ụzọ ịmakpu ihe na ị na-atụ mgbada ma ọbagodo ọrụ hustle nke a bụrụ your last hope not your first hope ime that in your first hope is useless in life na agwa gị the truth because ị nwetagodo ego from that thing ịma mma ife ị ga-etinye nwu ya mana ọ bụrụ na iburu ụzọ gbaba mbọ last iwe jezie baa na that thing o ya eme gị nweta ego i were experience ị nwetagoro in life mara ebe ya direct chi ego a ka o wee na-amụtara gị nwa mana somebody na-enwere ife ma n'ụwa ya mụbe afịa zụba afịa nothing ịmakpu n'ịtụ mgbada my brother ịtụtagoro 10 million ịma mmebi ga-etinye dị 10 million enwere experience ị nwere n'ụwa gị ọnụ fiam ka ya na-eri ya họteelụ fiam iri isi ya na-achọkwa mgbada ọzọ mbọsị ife ọzọ mgbada dị frustrate enwezi ife ịba mbazo nwere gị uru so biko asị mgbada anọ kịrịkịrị ụmụazị see ya aka inwe nwanne gị nọ 18-20 years dọpụta ya from that rubbish before ịkụba akụkọ ụdịrị ya ekwesịgoro iru ebe 30 years ma 27-29 mgbe ahụ ijechago enu jee na okwu ezi wọk isizie ketara igodu nke a as last hope gị ọ bụrụ ịpụta makpunye from secondary school gbom na-apị phone iri socks na big polo na-ezuzugharị well biko unu ga-egodo ife a mme this thing voice note mmeple unu ife ahụ JCN na one boy nwana ọ na-eme na ya na-alụ ọkụrụ client sizie from ịlọkụ one mmadụ client tọnụzie the boy to client ga-egodo ife a ka ịnụ first ị ga-esi ya mma na-achite wee tụkwasakwa ukwu ọzọ.
The thing be say now online work me I dey do normal. So you get one client wey make cash. The client come promise me say she go pay me $3,000. So as the client tell me say she go pay me $3,000 and the client trust me well. They show me her bank account and everything. So the woman are from US. So when I check her account, she gets $21,000. So I come reason and say the $3,000 wey she wan send me, say the money too small. And me I wan collect the full $21,000 from her. So I can't find the way I go use collect the money anywhere. So I did online when I see Dr. JCN where they do magic powder online, say the reason they collect money for clients. I can't say okay, I can't message them. As I message them, because tell me something I want. I can't say I want make you help me lock client, make the client pay me. They can't tell me say you get the one they do with 150, get the one you do with 100,000. So that one of 150, I come tell am say abeg make e do am for me 120, and come agree. He come tell me say okay when I dey come, I come tell am say on Friday. On Friday I go enter motor for my side Agbo dey go Onitsha. As I reach Onitsha na me I call am. So as I call am, na him tell me say make I enter, as I reach Onitsha that hair bridge, make I enter motor reach Opiweka. So from Opiweka, make I enter keke drop come GRA for Onitsha. So now I enter keke drop. As I reach one place like that, I don't really know the place. Now double lane dey there. I come land say the person come drop me, the keke man come drop me for there. Come tell me say make I call the person. So as I call am, he come tell me say make I come call Dr. JCM. He come tell me say make I wait for there. As he tell me say make I wait for there, now he come send one small boy, make the boy come pick me. As the boy come pick me, come carry me go the place in Shrine. Where in Shrine dey, e go one juju wey be say na be like say na the people wey dey the that community and dem get the juju, dem paint am white. So im own dey na person house sha. So im rent the place like the first room and the second room. Na there dey use dey see people. Na him I enter. As I enter, him come tell me say make I drop the money. Say he go do alpha for me. Alpha na 10,000. So him come do alpha for me. He come carry the, I come give am the money. He come tell me say make I go outside, make I go wait. So as I go outside, him boy, one of him boy come. They come carry fowl come. As they carry fowl come, I sit down for one place wey be says the place na compound. So some women dey there. I come sit down with them for there. So as dem do finish, na they come call me say make I come inside. So as I come inside, I come tell me say wetin my name. I come tell am my name. Come tell me say wetin be the client name. Say make I bring the client picture, make I drop am for the shrine. So he come bring out the key. The key, he come put alligator pepper for inside the key. So as I put the alligator pepper for inside the key, he come tell me say make I call the client name. Make I no let the alligator pepper fall from the padlock. So I come call the client name. As I call the client name, because make I people, they come carry this thing, wetin they call am. They come give me hot, give me alligator pepper, make I chew, make I pound for the key. As I pound for the key finish, so normal, they come key fowl. That fowl, they come put the blood on top of the distance. They put the blood on top of the distance. The fowl, they come kill am. They come give me the, well, it like now the right hand of the fowl, the right leg of the fowl, and the heart. They come say make I chop am. I say make I chop am. When I wan go, he come give me one small soap. As he give me the small soap, he come tell me, I say I go carry the key, go house. Say if I reach house, make I buy alligator pepper, make I buy dry gin. So make I, like for inside my room, make I knack nail, put for near, like where we see my hand go the rouge. Make I knack nail, then put the hand the key for there. Say every morning, make I, say if I wake up, make I collect 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Make I chew am, make I pour the hot for my mouth, make I call the client name. Like now 3 times. Say make I call the client name, make I pour the this thing, the drink and the what did they call am? The drink and the alligator pepper. Make I pour for the padlock. Make I tell the client say anything when I tell her say na him she go dey do. Client when me say they respond before I know. Normally, she even they call me safe. As I do the thing 2 days. The client don't message me again. I couldn't wonder. Client when they say they send me iTunes card sometimes 500 something normal. You know, client don't message me again. So I can't say I can't lock up. I can't see they do the thing. It can't reach 1 week. The thing no work. I can't call Dr. JC and say the client no they chat me again or say no they message me again. They can't tell me say make I continue the thing, make I do am now. Normal. I can't do am 2 weeks pass. This client no dey even dey respond. If I message am again, go tell me say she's busy. If I message am again, she go tell me say she's busy. I call Dr. JCM again. I can't wait like 3 weeks. As I wait like 3 weeks, the thing no dey work. The client self no dey respond again. Now I call Dr. JCM say the thing wey he do for me say he never work. Before I know, he tell me say I dey disturb am, make I no call am again. If I call am again, he go come dey busy my call. He no come dey reply to my call again. Normally, as I go check him page, the video when I do for there, in don't post and they thought say the person they do work for don't cash out. If you check the video, no let me speak agbo for there. When I call the thought say client in the like booking, no also come go. Na say just say no also come go. You lengwala no also man. If you hear the video normally, you go there this same voice. Now they talk for the video. I can't say I can't tell the for our language. I can't tell the client say in your lengwala ya kikawe man must kuye ni me go see you kuye ni. I can't they call the client's name. So I wait. He know they pick my call again. Before I know, he block me for Facebook. He block me for Facebook. If I chat him for WhatsApp, he no go reply. If I message him for normal, if I call him for normal call, if he pick him, no, if I call him for normal call, he no go pick my call. If I use another number, call him. If he knows na me, he go tell me say they disturb him. He go cut call. Now start day like this. Even the $3,000 wey be say the client they promise me with her clear eye. She no send the money again. Person even promise me. Greediness, that man say all these native doctors, where would they go to? They know they really just scam, they scam person. Normally now he collect the money now. Work when he say he do, he no do him. He come online, they tell him say person when he do this work for, the person don't cash out. If not this are they lie. If not wanna check this voice, wanna check the voice when they inside that video we then do. You understand? I mean they speak that agbo say client in be like bokeben. Ne also come go onye olengwa la yakokawe me. I can't they call the client's name.
90% of okite anyị na-afọ a na-egosigo online. Nya 90% of ite niile anyị na-afọ ọgwụ niile ha ndị a na-esete ego online. Maka si I swear ndị nwe ya dị abịazi ebe a for years ha chefugi happy na because onwe ife ọ na-arụ. Ife ndị dibịa ja store dozo okite bụ so that ha see a picture ma ha see a video. O bụ ibu ife ya si yes ndị mmadụ na-ejikwa o ka ijegodu. Ọ dịghị ka ndị niile na-enwe oke ite a na ha na-abịa elekwa ya. Isi yes ndị mmadụ na-ejekwa. Iwe gbadozie wee je ijezi ebe a erie gị use kwa oke ite nke gị paaki kwa ebe a. Ọ na increase kwa onye okwu oke ite nke gị kwa na-adọtakwa more people. All the same thing a na-eme with video ifo ha na-post online. Majority of this video ndị niile sete na video ahụ na-ebezi akwa today mana eji video ha na-achọkwa more customers online. So I ji video this boy na-ekwu ife a in case JCN decide ya na ọ chọrọ take up this case. I ji the video, I ji proof. Ọ bụ na JCN watch this thing si na ọ chọrọ take this case up. I kwete I ji the video and the boy nọ na the video na-ekwu okwu. Ka njidi ebe a o nwere ntị ya nọrọ like ya mara ife like na mara ife continue na-ekwu no maka the fube the powerful native doctor no we dibe nke ya aja mụ o work no maka ife work ra ga work ọrụ ndị ọzọ na-ekwu eri
ekenekwa m unu kene nwoke kene nwaanyị biko nu siri ebe unu nechagoda video biko ka a na-eme ka ihe na-aga ọfụma na subscribe ọrụ m na channel a share m video anụnwa hụ ha share ha anụ ya ndị ọzọ esolu mụtakwanụ ife anyị na-amụta na channel nke anụnwa biko nodododo imecha ebu notification ka ị na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla anyị tiri video. Ọ nwezikwa ihe ọzọ ịchọrọ ikwu mana ihe ịchọrọ itinye ọnụ ya itinye ya na comment section nke dịka ịbịa like this video biko nu Igbo Land ọzọ ka anyị wee mgbe ọzọ dododo.